In this lesson, we're going to find the perimeter of a polygon. The definition is down here. The perimeter of a polygon is the distance around the polygon. It's shown in red on each one of these drawings. This means that the perimeter of the polygon is the sum of the lengths of the sides. You're going to be using addition, and you might want to have your calculator handy. Let's look at a few problems. The first one, the drawing is of a triangle. To find the perimeter of the triangle, the perimeter is equal to 7 feet, and I'm going to abbreviate, plus 9 feet, plus 11 feet. You need to add those measurements. We're going to have 27. The units for perimeter are the same as the units for each one of the items. So the perimeter is 27 feet. Number 2, the perimeter of this figure. Now it's a rectangle, and when it's drawn, not all of the sides are labeled. The side opposite the bottom 2 feet is a top 2 feet. The side opposite the right 1 foot is a 1 foot on the left. So the perimeter is, start anywhere you want, it is 2 feet plus 1 foot plus 2 feet plus 1 foot. You certainly might use a shortcut to do some of this. The perimeter is going to be 6, and it is measured in the same units that each one of the sides was measured. So it is 6 feet. Number 3, this is sort of an irregular shape, but the perimeter is the same. This time I'm going to write down each one of the numbers, putting it in the sum in parentheses, and I'm going to put centimeters on the outside. Starting at the top, it's 18 plus 10 plus 17 plus another 17 plus 9 plus 8. And I'm back to the top, close the parentheses, centimeters. That allowed me to keep up with the units but not write them down for each and every one of the sides. So off camera, I've got my calculator, and I'm adding 18 plus 10 plus 17 plus 17 plus 9 plus 8, and I get 79, and it is measured in centimeters. The last one, the reason that this one is a little bit different is because although I'm finding the perimeter, which is the sum of all the sides, I have a couple of sides that are not labeled. For instance, this side is not labeled. It'll be difficult for me to add it up if I don't know what its length is. Well, to do that, what I do is look at parallel sides. In other words, sides that go the same direction. And I have these two are also horizontal. Looking at those, if from the left to the right the full thing is 14 meters and this piece of it is 7, then the missing piece is going to be 14 minus 7, which is 7 meters. Because the sum of the parts has to add up to equal the whole. Now let me make that go away. All right, now there's another missing piece. This piece is missing, but it is parallel to this big one and this part. You can see that the 7 right here and the mystery piece have to add up to be 16, so this piece will be 16 minus 7, or 9 meters. Okay, so once again, I'm going to make my little work go away. Lost my green. Put the green back. And now I should be able to, sorry about that, I should be able to find the perimeter. The perimeter is, starting at the top, I have 14 plus 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7, and those are all meters. Let me check I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I have them all. On my calculator, off to the side, I'm adding 14, 16, 7, 9, 7, and a final 7 for a perimeter of 60 meters. So the challenging part of number 4 was for us to find those missing sides. I hope that helps you be able to find the perimeter of a polygon.